Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of nature's most remarkable creatures, the lyrebird, a true master of mimicry. Native to the forests of Australia, this bird is famous for its incredible ability to mimic sounds, both natural and man-made. Have you ever imagined a bird imitating the sound of a computer shutters, chainsaw, and even the car alarm? The lyrebird is a species of ground-dwelling songbird found only in Australia. Its name comes from its distinctive tail feathers, which resembling the shape of a lyre, an ancient music instrument. There are two main species of lyrebirds. The superb lyrebird, the larger and more well-known species, measuring up to 18 to 100 cm in length. The male's tail features 16 feathers that form a stunning lyre shape during its courtship display. Albert's lyrebird, smaller and less common, this species is found in limited regions of Australia. Its style is less dramatic but equally captivated in its own way. Lyrebirds are primarily ground-dwelling and prefer running or hopping or flying. Their powerful legs make them excellent diggers, while their brownish-gray plumage provide camouflage in the dense forest undergrowth. Lyrebirds are native to the southeastern Australia's temperate rainforest and mountainous woodlands. These environments provide ideal conditions for their survival. Soft soil for foraging, thick vegetation for hiding from predators. Lyrebirds spend much of their time foraging for food, using their strong legs to dig through the soil. Their diet consists mainly of insects, spiders, worms, and occasionally seeds and leaves. Despite their ability to fly, they rarely do so, preferring the safety of the forest floor. The most extraordinary features of the lyrebird is its unparalleled ability to mimic sounds. Lyrebirds can imitate the calls of other birds, such as cockatoos or kookaburras. Man-made sounds including chainsaws, car alarms, camera clicks, and even human voices. But why do lyrebirds mimic sounds? Attracting mates. Male lyrebirds using their mimicry skill during the mating season to impress females. The more diverse and accurate the sounds, the better their chances for attracting a mate. Communication and defense. Mimicry can also be used to warn other birds for danger or establish territory. Lyrebirds have been recorded imitating sounds they heard years ago, showing incredible memory. Some lyrebirds mimic construction noises from faraway areas. During the mating season, male lyrebirds put on a spectacular performance to win over females. The courtship display. The male fans out his ornate tail feathers into a magnificent arch resembling a lyre. He began singing a medley of mimicry, blending natural and man-made sounds in a mesmerizing performance. The male dances on a carefully cleared patch of forest floor, moving rhythmically to his song. This elaborate display can last for hours, showcasing the male's creativity and stamina. However, females are discerning and may watch only briefly before deciding if the performance is worthy. Lyrebirds are not currently endangered. Their habitat faces increasing threat from deforestation. Logging and land clearing for agriculture reduce their natural habitats. Climate change. Alterations in temperature and rainfall patterns can impact their food source and living conditions. Why protect the lyrebirds? The lyrebird is not just a symbol of Australia's biodiversity, but also plays a vital role in maintaining forest ecosystems. By preserving the lyrebird's habitat, we protect countless other species that share the same environment. Conservation efforts. Establishing protected areas within Australia's forests. Raising awareness among local communities about the importance of this bird. The lyrebird is a true marvel of nature, combining beauty, intelligence, and creativity. Its mimicry skill reminds us of the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the lyrebird. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.